Welcome to my action figure horizontal template. I'll give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. First, there are a variety of different accessories within each template. So for example, in the softball template, there's some seeds, some softballs, a bunch of different accessories crossed here. Basketball has some headphones, water bottles, shoes, basketballs, foam fingers. Football has a variety of different things, including a fun set of pancakes and a dog necklace. And baseball has some very similar stuff with a couple additions, for example, a wooden bat and a slightly different helmet. And track has a bunch of fun things. And there are a variety of other different sports with accessories. You can incorporate or add any accessory you want to this, so your team can bring some fun stuff in that they think would look good, or their own personal stuff, and you can extract it just like you would a subject and add it to the template and create a really personalized look. There are a bunch of fun different warnings and little labels within this. So for example, warning, choking hazard, other teams may collapse in the 7th. Game day gear concluded. Varsity action figure collection, made in the USA. Track has warning, choking hazard, other teams may choke on their dust. Race day gear included, track tan not included, but expected. So some fun stuff, and you can shut that off or change any of this text that you want. So some other warning options that you could include. So for example, on the softball, you can say handle with care, contains walk-off power, packaging reinforced for backflips and bat flips, warning, not compatible with bad calls or bad attitudes. A couple fun things there. And then for example, one of the other templates might be caution, not for beginners, caution, this team doesn't come with an off switch, or built different, play at your own risk, or whatever other fun sayings you come up with. This template accommodates a variety of different number of players. So you could do just a row of subjects, or you could stack them up and fit quite a bit more. And if you had a lot more than this, you just have to size the team a little bit smaller. It's a super fun template, and I'm sure your team's going to love it.